automatic double-head chili sauce tin concealing machine. Servo control of the whole machine makes the equipment operation safer, stable and intelligent. The two sealing heads work at the same time, and the sealing speed is more efficient. A total of 4 sealing rollers for each sealing head can complete the sealing at the same time. The tank body does not rotate during the sealing process, which is safer and especially suitable for fragile and liquid products. It is mainly suitable for sealing packaging of various round PET plastic iron aluminum